First we will draw border line, 4 side border line, because my drawing file page is bigger. If you are having a small size of drawing file, then don't draw border lines. Clear? Okay. Now we will draw here. Now we will draw 4 animals, 4 farm animals: cow, sheep, hen and pig. First we will draw hen. Remember, you have to draw big size of animal. By this you can fill the color very neatly. First we will draw hen ear. So we will start with oval shape. Remember, you will draw big size of shapes. Big size of oval shape. Don't draw a small size. Clear? After making the oval shape, you will draw two parallel line here, like this. 2 parallel line here, and join the both lines with giving some small curve, like this. After making this one, you will make one small beak and eyes. Give a small circle and like this. Then you will make upper side this one. After making this one, you will draw back side this shape. And use very light pencil. After making this one, you will draw 2 triangle shape here for making the legs, and draw 3 lines here or 1 line here, 4 lines. And after making this one, you will make here like 3 and give small curves, and here you will draw big size of 3. Clear? Okay. Now I am giving some time for making this one. After making the hen, you will make here pig. For making the pig, first you will draw again oval shape. Again you will use your pencil very lightly. Don't press your pencil on the page. Use very lightly pencil. After making this one, it is an oval shape. You will draw circle. Here you will draw circle like this. After making the oval shape and circle, you will draw 2 eyes and nose. Clear? After making this one, you will draw here 2 petal shape for making the ear. Then you will draw rectangle shape for making the legs. and give a small circle and give a small semicircle. Now you will draw pig's tail. Like you turn your hand. Clear? Now you will remove this line. Okay. This line. Now we will draw sheep here. Again we will draw oval shape. Remember, you will draw use very lightly pencil. Draw very lightly. It is your oval shape. Again you will draw here one, again oval shape for making the face of sheep. Then we will make here 2 eyes and 1 mouth. After it, we will draw here ears, 1 ear here and 1 here. Now we will make 2 ears of sheep. Then we will draw here 1 like this, like a cloud. After making this one, we will rub this line and this line of the sheep. It is your oval shape. Here we will make like a cloud. It is very simple, like this. And then we will make again like a cloud, we will make tail. Clear? After making this one, we will draw here again rectangular shape for making the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 legs. And we will join it like this. 1, like this. Up inside. Now it is complete our sheep. Okay. Now here we will draw cow. Again we will draw here oval shape. Use very light pencil. Here again we will draw oval shape. Like this. After making this one, we will draw 2 ears like a petal. And 2 horns. Clear? Then we will make eyes and rub this line. We will rub this line and we will divide our oval shape, making this line and the nose. After it, we will draw here rectangle shapes for making the legs, and join it, and then give a small curve. Clear? After it, we will draw here a small tail, and then we will make here some patches. In the middle of oval shape, and then we will complete our cup. Clear? After making the animals, we will draw here fencing. For making the fencing, we will draw here straight lines with a scale. Again, we will draw two straight lines. Okay, clear? Then we will draw here rectangle shape. I am making freehand. This. Leave some space. Three here, and according your space, you will draw rectangle shapes. Then after making the rectangle shape, you will draw triangular and give one dot. Like this. Now in the middle, again we will draw a big rectangle shape and rub these lines. Here we will draw one door. Clear? It is our farm animals. Okay, last week we made farm animal. Today we will color in the hen, pig, sheep and cow. Okay, now let's start. First we will color inside the hen. In this one we will use yellow, orange, red, 3 main color. First we start the yellow color. First I am doing the outlining of yellow color. Look very carefully. First I put the yellow color here and then orange, and leave the white space for the second color. Second color is my orange color, and first fill the orange color and mix the both color. Again I am using yellow color. First I am doing the outlining with yellow color. Like this. And move your hands according the shape, not like this, here, there, up and down, only according the shape. My shape is oval shape, so then I am moving like this. I am not doing like this, moving this way. Here, outlining. And then leave the space for the second color. Here I am filling the orange color, and look my hands carefully, how I am moving my hands like this. I am giving the strokes and mix the both like this. I am moving my hands upper side, up and down, not a circle, and mix the both colors. There is no line of yellow and orange color, both color are mixed. If there is line, then again take the yellow color and mix. Clear? Again here I am using the yellow and orange, and the last I put the red color. First orange, again I am moving my hands according the shape. Remember, move your hands always according the shape. If your shape is round, then move your hand like this. Agar if shape is your rectangle shape, yeah, any other shape, move your hands according the shape. Leave the space for second color, always leave the space. If you want to do two colors, if you want to fill the two colors, always leave the space for the second color. Then I am filling the yellow color here. First I am doing the outline like this. Okay, and mix the both color. There is no line, both color are mixed. Clear? Now I am taking the red color and I am giving the strokes like this. Here again I am giving red color, little color of red, and here again red color. Now putting this one, I am filling the red color. Now next, first I am filling the yellow, and then brown color, and mix the both color. Mixing is very important. And then brown color in the eyes, and black color in the middle. Outer space is white, and last beak, orange color. Orange and red. Clear? First yellow and leave the space for the second orange color and mix the both. Then here yellow according the shape, you fill the according the shape yellow color and leave the space for orange second color, and then fill orange color and mix the both. Here again yellow and orange, and the last put the red color. Clear? Now I am giving you some time. Now I will color in the pig. In this way we will take two color, dark pink and light pink. First I am doing with a light pink according the shape. First I am doing the outline with pink color. And then outline with dark pink. Same here. According the shape, I have filled the peach color. According the shape, not like this, up and down, left and right. No, always fill color according the shape. Clear? It is peach color, then pink color. Outlining you fill with peach color. Pink color. In the middle peach and outer line with pink color. And remember, like this, mix the both. You will mix the both color like this and mix again with peach color. Now it is here, same here, we will do two color, peach and pink. Here we fill first peach color and leave the space for pink. Same here, peach color and leave the space for pink. And then fill pink color. Here again fill pink color. Now pinky on tail, and same here, dark color, like this, and black eyes, the legs, same two color you use, peach and pink. First fill peach color and leave the space for pink. Again peach, leave the space for pink, peach and leave the space for pink, peach and leave the space for pink. Then you take the pink color and fill on white space and mix both color. Same here, put the pink color on the white space and mix both colors. Same here, pink and leave space and mix the both. Again pink and mix the both. In the last, we put the brown color on that space. Okay. Here you can use black sketch pen or black pencil color for making the eyes. Clear? Okay. Now we will fill color in the sheep. For sheep we will take white color, mustard color and pink color. First we will start outline the mustard color. Light mustard you use like this. And then we fill white color and mix the both. And we will mix mustard color in the middle with the help of white color, like this. Up and down. My hands is moving like this. Clear? Same. We will fill mustard. Here and take the white color and mix like this. We will mix both color, mustard and white. Leave the space for white color. We will leave the space for white color and mix both. The face we put pink color and mustard color. First I am doing the outline with mustard color and leave the space for pink color. Same here, light brown mustard and leave the space for pink color. I am having this pink color. Pink color, light pink and mix both. It is very light pink and mix both. Same here, light pink and here again light pink. Now I will use dark pink. It is a dark pink. I am making like nose and upper side of cheek and this one. Here I am using pink color, dark pink, and same mix both. Clear? This shape. Now we will color in cow. In the cow we will fill white color here, black color here, pink color here, white color here and pink here and brown. So we will take white, black and pink color. First we start white color like this it is white, so you can't see white color, but I am filling the white color here and here first. Then it is a black color, so I am filling the black color. One here, one here, here and here, and giving one, and then white. Okay, now I'll fill the pink color. This is the pink color. And brown color in the this one. And brown color here and here. Dark brown. Now black color here, and leave the space for white color. According the shape, like this. According the shape, you will fill white color. And leave space for pink. Brown color, I am filling the brown color. Black color, you fill the hole in the ear and eyes. Now legs, it will be white. I am making some patch here. With black color. And then fill white color here. Okay, in the middle, I fill the pink color here. I am making nose. Again with the help of sketch pen. Here I am putting the brown color. Here. It is your brown color. Now you can see the cow. Here you put the white color. Here white color. Here white color, and some make black patches and brown horn and tail. Clear? Okay, now completed. Now we will color in fencing and door. In fencing we will put fill brown color and black color, and here red color. So I will start with brown color and then put the black color. One side, first we put the brown color like this. My direction is according the shape, it is up and down side. My hand is moving up and down side, not like this, because my shape is rectangle. Remember, always move according the shape. Remember, my shape is rectangle, so my hands I am moving up and down, not like this. And leave the space for second color. My second color is black. First, put the black color on the white space. And again mix the both with brown color. Clear? And here I am doing black color. Same again, brown color. Same here. Move your hand up and down, leave the space for the second color. Second color. On the white space. And then again it is my brown color and mix the both. It is very important. Mixing is very important of both colors. Like this. And it is my black color. Like this. Same here. Brown again here, brown and leave the space, again here brown and leave the space for second black color. Remember, look at my hands, I am moving my hands up and down. And then black color. And mix with brown color. Same here. And mix it. Brown color. First you put the black color. Here again black color. And then mix brown color, again here brown color, again here brown color. On the top you will fill black color and leave very small area of white. Same here, very small area of white. Same here, very small area of white. You leave very small area of white. Here again very small area of white. Now I am doing brown color. In this one it is not, sorry, red color. Now I am filling red color here. Here again red color with crayons, not oil pastel. You can put the oil pastel or pencil color in the fencing because it is very narrow. So you can fill the pencil color or oil pastel color. Sorry, crayons color or pencil color. And it is my oil pastel colors. See. It is very narrow space, so you will fill crayons or oil pastel in this area. Okay. Now it is a door. In this one we will fill red color. It is oil pastel color. We can't mix crayons color. So here I am filling oil pastel color. Leave the space for second color. I am doing only outlining with red color. Clear? In the middle I fill black color like this. Okay. Clear? In the white area we will fill black color. In this one you can use pencil color, या crayons, या oil pastel color. But these are all oil pastel color. It is oil pastel color, brown and black. Only here crayons color. I leave the white space in the middle. Now it is complete. Color in the background. Background is my grass. In this one we will put light green, dark green and yellow, and we will mix both. We will start with light green and start light green. We will start on the top, inside the lines. Remember, you fill background very carefully and your hands will be moved like this, not up and down, left and right. No, move. My shape is this one. Move your hands very carefully outside the line. You will not fill color inside, green color inside the pink. Hand, sheep, a cow. Outer area of figures, animals, you fill like this. It is the middle area of legs, like this you fill very carefully. Move your hands very slowly. Very slowly you fill inside the legs. Move your hands like this. Not this side, yeah, this, no. Leave the white space of outer area of hand very carefully. In this one you can use crayons color or pencil color. I am using crayon colors. Don't fill oil pastel color. You fill only crayons. Here leave the space for yellow color like this. Yes, here I am filling yellow color. Leave the space for second color like that. Again I am using green color. Very carefully you will fill green color. Don't go inside the line. Don't fill color inside the line. Only outer area. Use very carefully you will fill color. Move your hands like this, only like this. horizontal. Yes. It is my line. Leave space for, leave a small space. Yes. Like this. But hand we will move always like this. Leave space here and there, but hand move like this. It is very compulsory. Here again I am using yellow color. We can use on green color like this. There is white space. You can fill yellow color. Remember, you will fill very carefully. You will not fill green color inside the sheep. Use like this. Always move your hand like this. And again use yellow color. Very carefully. Okay, now again here inside of fencing, like this. Move your hand horizontal, not a vertical, in one direction. Here again I am filling the yellow color. There is white space. We can fill yellow color. Our hands in one move in one direction. Clear? Now last, it is your dark green color. Some area we can, only some area we can fill dark green like this. Very lightly, don't press your dark green color. Very lightly like this. Don't press like that dark. Only lightly. You move your hands. Don't press dark or dark green color. Yes. You can make a small grass. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. You can make small grasses. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now clear? It is complete. I can do darker green here on the top again. Yes, it is complete your farm animal scene. Okay.